So let's jump straight into the understanding of the VIX75. The VIX75 is known as a fear-based market from the real VIX75 market, right? If you understand it, the VIX75, it's basically the fear based off investors that's trading stock markets like the US 500 or the S&P 500. So basically the fear basically come from that markets and then implement the volatility 75 markets. I hope you guys understand what I mean. The VIX 75 doesn't behave as the forex markets, meaning at forex markets you will come to a certain reason where price will show you that it's going to break out, and price will break out and move in that direction. But vice versa, in the VIX 75, guys, the price will show you that it wants to break out, but the false breaks is more common in the VIX 75 market. So you will most likely be more trapped in the Voltage 75 markets until you don't have proper confirmation to execute your market and your trading setup. The market moves 24/7. You can trade it 7 days a week from Monday till Sunday and Sunday till Sunday. So there's not breaks in this markets. The voltage the VIX 75 is highly volatile and moves fast. That is where the name comes from, volatility. It is a volatile market that moves in any time or any particular day, right? The VIX 75 doesn't react to any news events or any events, right? So you don't have to watch news events to trade the VIX 75. It basically move on a rapid base. So you don't have to actually wait for specific news events, right? The VIX 75 moves in waves. What a moves in waves is it create higher highs and higher lows. There's a lot of trading opportunities every single day. Once you got your trading understanding and your trading plan under control, you will basically take advantage of a trading opportunity every single day, not like in the forex markets. There are recognizable patterns within the movements that VIX 75 makes that will are covered in the next chapters, right? There's patterns that you guys will see the market repeat over and over and over, and that will basically trigger you to trade the Voltage 75 really successful, and I will teach you guys how to do that. So now you guys have a really good understanding of how the VIX 75 works and how the price basically moves. So let's jump into more in depth of the understandings.